So hey guys, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So today in this video we are going to see how can you draw a single pose from different angles. So without any time wasting, let's start the video. So first draw a box and draw cross lines and draw a line which divide that box in two equal parts. And so first we are going to draw his front pose. So it's not going to take much time, and drawing a front pose is lot easier than other angles. And while drawing a pose, I try to draw that pose in that box. It's okay if that pose goes little bit outside of the box. It's completely fine. So here we completed that drawing. So now let's draw the second pose. In second pose, everything is going to be similar. But in previous pose I draw the box flat because if we observe the box from the front view, we can only see its front parts or front side. So now let's draw the third pose. So in third pose, the method is going to be the same. We start with the box and now I am draw the box from the below because now I am drawing this pose from the below angle. And as always, I am trying to draw that pose in that box. So let's draw the fourth pose, and I am going to draw this pose from the back side. And drawing this type of pose, you need to understand the box, cube and cylinder. You need to understand their forms and how they look in perspective because that helps a lot to draw this type of poses. So this is our fourth pose, and now I am going to use different pose, but the method is going to be the same. So that's it guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you all are enjoyed this video, and after cleanup that poses kinda look like this.